Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a dash cam showdown for you. On the left, we have the ROVE R2-4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the ARIFAYZ dash cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to video quality, the ROVE R2-4K takes the lead with its impressive 4K Ultra HD recording capability. With a resolution of 2160p, you'll notice a significant difference in clarity and detail compared to other dash cams. Plus, its super night vision technology ensures clearer footage, even in low light conditions. Let's talk about connectivity. The ROVE R2-4K comes with built-in Wi-Fi 6, allowing you to instantly view and manage your dash cam recordings on your iOS or Android devices. You can even download your 4K videos directly to your smartphone and easily share them on social media. It's all about convenience. Now let's talk about some additional features that set these dash cams apart. The ROVE R2-4K comes with GPS functionality, accurately recording your driving location and speed. You can even view your driving route on Google Maps via Wi-Fi. Plus, it has a range of state-of-the-art features like a built-in supercapacitor, motion detection, and emergency video lock. It's packed with everything you need. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam has received positive reviews for its video quality, connectivity, and additional features. Reviewers appreciate the 4K Ultra HD recording capability and super night vision technology. They also find the built-in Wi-Fi 6 convenient for managing recordings. The GPS functionality and other features like a built-in supercapacitor and motion detection are highly praised. However, some reviewers have mentioned issues with the charging cable and SD card compatibility. That's all for today's video. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Let us know in the comments which products you'd like us to compare next. Until then, stay smart and happy shopping.